Class 3 Social Studies. Good morning, children. Today's topic is National Symbols of India, our country, Chapter 9. In this lesson, you will learn about the national symbols and what they stand for. So, dear children, let us learn what are national symbols. National symbols can be defined as objects, signs, or symbols that represent a nation or a country. These symbols are a source of pride for the citizens. India also has some national symbols. For example, the national flag, emblem, song, anthem, animal, flower, and bird. Now you can see here our national flag. This is also called a Tiranga. Let us learn more about this. National flag. Our national flag, also called the Tiranga, consists of these different colors. In the national flag of India, the top band is of saffron color, indicating the strength and courage of the country. The white middle band indicates peace and truth. The last band is green in color, shows the fertility, growth, and prosperity of the land. There is a navy blue wheel called Dharma Chakra in the center of the white band. This wheel, also called the Ashoka Chakra, has been taken from the lion capital of Ashoka and has 24 spokes. The wheel stands for constant movement. Now children, let us learn about national anthem. Our national anthem Jana Gana Mana was written by Rabindranath Tagore. The national anthem is played on various occasions: when the national flag is hoisted, during parades, and on national days. We must respect the anthem and stand in the attention position whenever it is being played or sung. Now let us learn about national song. The national song of India, Vande Mataram, was composed by Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. So children, you should understand what is national song and what is national anthem. National anthem is sung in the assembly time when you are in school and in some various occasion like Republic Day, 15th August, okay? And national song is the song which is composed by Bankim Chandra Chatterjee and it is known as Vande Mataram. So remember this, okay? Children, let us learn about national emblem. The national emblem of India has been adapted from the Ashoka pillar at Sarnath near Varanasi in Uttar Pradesh. It has 4 lions facing 4 directions. They symbolize power, courage, and confidence. There is a Dharma Chakra under the lions. To the right of this chakra is a bull and to the left is a horse. The words Satyamev Jayate, meaning truth alone triumphs, have been written at the bottom. Now see other national symbols here. The first picture you can see here, a picture of a tiger. The Royal Bengal tiger is the national animal of India. It is a symbol of strength, grace and power. So children, do remember this. The national animal of India is called tiger. Now let us see the other picture. Yes, it is a bird peacock. The peacock is the national bird of India. The peacock stands for joy, grace, love and beauty. So it represents our country, very joyful, very graceful and very beautiful, like a peacock bird. Now let us see the beautiful flower which is called lotus. The lotus is the national flower of India. It is a symbol of purity and is believed to be sacred. Sacred means holy. Okay. Now let us learn about Indian rupee. Indian rupee is the national currency of India. It was designed by Dharmalingam Uday Kumar. So children, if you have seen the rupees, Indian rupees like 10 rupees note, 100 rupees note or 500 rupees note, you can see the symbol of this on your note. Okay. Now let us summarize the chapter quickly. National symbols can be defined as objects, signs or symbols that represent a nation or a country. The national flag of India is also called the Tiranga. Jana Gana Man was written by Rabindranath Tagore. Our national emblem has been adopted from the Ashoka pillar at Sarnath near Varanasi. Now children, it's time for some exercises. First question is fill in the blanks. Our national anthem was written by Rabindranath Tagore. There are 3 colors in our flag. There are 4 lions in our national emblem. The term Satyamev Jayate means truth alone triumphs. Question number 2. Write true and false. Our national emblem is known as the Tiranga. False. The lion is our national animal. False. Rabindranath Tagore wrote our national anthem. True. India is the 4th largest country in the world. False. So do these exercises in your book and notebook. Now answer these following questions. First question is, what is the national anthem of India? The answer is Jana Gana Man. Question number 2. List the 3 colors of the Tiranga. The answer is saffron, white and green. Question number 3. Name the person who designed the symbol of the Indian rupee. The answer is Dharmalingam Uday Kumar. Question number 4. What does the blue chakra in the Indian flag represent? The answer is constant movement. Question number 5. Who composed Vande Mataram? The answer is Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. So children, do these question answer in your notebook and show me. Children, it's time to do some homework. You have to do in your homework notebook. Question number 1. Name the other symbols of our country. So first is national bird, the national animal, national flower, national currency, national fruit, national tree. You have to write this answer in front of these. Okay, then question number 2, draw, color and name your country's national flag. You have to draw your national flag and then color it and name it. Okay, question number 3, write national anthem in your notebook in beautiful handwriting. Take help of your school diary. So you can just see in your old diary or new diary, it is mentioned in the diary and you can write it from there. Thank you.